Hey everyone, so now I got the drone in my hands. We are in the camping place. I mean, it's literally backyard of this house. There's a nice pond. I'm charging my battery on that side there. Yeah, this is the tent. Nature hike. I really love that this part is like literally, yeah, it takes a lot of air, so that's amazing. Anyway, now I will put this mounted and try to use the drone, see how that goes. So, we got the drone. I will do follow far.
3, 2.
This one is called Droney. Let's go.
2, 1.
Now it's gonna see me and slowly go away. Yeah. To 10 meters. I think it is diagonally 10 meters from here to there. And then the shot is complete. It takes a second shot as it's coming back. So it does 2 shots at once. That's pretty good. So you just start it again. It turns around you. Gets a circle shot. I hope the image quality is good with this one. Good, good. And so far we have lost 15% of battery. Now we'll do rockets. You know what, I'm gonna film it there. There's gonna be a bit far for you to see. But what's gonna happen is it's gonna take the house and the vibe and everything together. So I think that's gonna be a good vibe. I don't know if you can even see me at this point.
2, 1.
And maybe something like a walking shot could be good to the pool. So I can maybe give it to the house owner. Now, direction track. This is, in my opinion, the best one. So, supposedly, it comes to your direction. Like it goes a bit further, starts recording, and now wherever I go, it's gonna stay on my side, and it won't come any closer. I think that is perfect. The only problem is it comes and it just stops, comes and stops, comes and stops. Like it doesn't have the slow motion. And let's see if I go a bit faster. How does it go? Now it's behind me. That's not how we had the deal, Neo. You're supposed to be on my side, Neo. Yeah, it's turned into a follow mode. Helix. Now this mode is, in my opinion, the best one. So yeah, I think for scenic shots, that's what I'm planning to do with the bike as well. Yeah, it goes pretty far. With scenic shots, it's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, like image quality wise, of course, as I said, there's this weird thing that I don't fully understand. It's using a lot of power right now because there's some wind. It's trying to stay stable. Damn, man, that's a bit hard for it. But it's surviving. It's surviving. I respect that, Neo. You got this. Then you have the boomerang, which is again something like this. It goes quite far, about 20 meters. I think it's gonna just yeah, do a boomerang apparently. Oops, is it gonna hit the tree? It did not hit the tree. It's just barely not hitting the trees, bro. So that is a bit scary to see. But yeah, maybe I'm not in the best environment. But yeah, okay, I see you. And it will hit a tree, will it? Yeah, fuck, I just hit a tree. So this is the second crash this had. It fell from the tree. Yeah, I kind of have some trust at this point that this drone will stay alive indeed, you know. It's pretty good, I think, for the shots it takes, the amount of money you give. All in all, to start with, I think it's pretty good. Today there's not going to be much after this. I'm just gonna edit some video. Then yeah, we'll just relax and hopefully wake up next day and swim a little bit and chill down a bit more. Play some games. Maybe I can film those as well a little bit. We'll see. I guess it's an easy one. I would normally be a gentleman, but she has won against me 2 times. That is why I'm not going to be a gentleman. Am I? And I won 2 times, so this game is the winner gets all kind of a deal. She wants a rematch. Yeah, kind of. So it's like.
Mogen we ons erbij zetten?
Yeah.
Wil je een beetje watermeloen hebben?
Nee.
Watermelon?
What's a melon?
watermelon,
Okay,
yeah,
yeah.
Thought you said water.
No, there's watermelon in there.
Let's see that the fire is getting.
Ja, het is weer iets, nee.
Oh, could you give me the camera? There you go. So we had 2 nights past, the drone shots a little. Now we're going back. It was really nice. Now I learned about drones that it's not as strict as I thought, so that's gonna be fun. I will try to shoot some more drone shots, and that is gonna be it for the vlog. There's not much to say yet. It's just nice roads, nice vibes, you know.